Welcome to Mania Yoga Academy. Health is wealth, care for it. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Gond juice. Ingredients required are Gond edible. You will get in shops. Jaggery, cinnamon and ilachi, ginger, turmeric, 2, 2 spoons of wheat flour, 2 spoons of ghee. Akhroot I have chopped into small pieces. Badam chop into small pieces. You can add any dry fruits like pista, spinola nuts, any dry fruits you can add. Take a pan and heat the pan. Once the pan get heated, you add ghee. 2 spoons of ghee you have to add. Once the ghee started heat, you add edible gond. You have to fry until it becomes puff. You will get like a puffed rice. Until that you have to fry. This gond is very helpful to keep our body warm and strengthen our immunity to deal with winter related infections. During winters we get many type of infections. It can get rid of by any types of infections in our body. And moreover, in winter seasons we will be having cold, cough, and it is very healthy drink to get rid from that also. This drink can be drunk morning, early in the morning, or else after your food. Give a gap between 2 hours, and elders can have complete glass, and kids can also have a big glass. Now you can see it is puffed. You can take it into a bowl. Once it is puffed, you take out into the bowl. Usually this gond will be used by pregnant women or breastfeeding women, but each and every person can have this gond. It is very helpful to our body. Now for the same pan I am adding badams and making badams golden brown. Once it is golden brown, you take out into a bowl. And again you can add akhroot. You all know akhroot and badam have many vitamins in it. If you add this for gond juice, it will be very healthy, complete nutrition drink it will be. Usually the pregnant and breastfeeding women will be having this drink because it will help to make bones more stronger. Because it helps to make bones more stronger. And many will prepare laddus in this. Instead of laddus you can make juice also, because nowadays kids won't like much sweet. It will be fresh every day. You can make it fresh and you can have this drink. You can drink every day in winter season, and in summer you can have weekly twice. So for the same pan now add cinnamon and ilachi. Ginger, you have to pot the ginger, and you have to add ginger to the same pan. Make it, you will get a very nice aroma. It will be very good. And you all know ginger, cinnamon, ilachi works as an antibiotic. For the same pan now add 2 spoons of wheat flour, and you have to fry until you get a very good smell. You will get a very nice smell. You have to fry the wheat flour in the same ghee. Now for this wheat flour, you can add adequate water like 3 to 4 glasses. For 2 spoons, you can add 3 to 3.5 glass of water. Add water. During lactation period is beneficial for both mother and the baby, this drink, and it helps to cope up with nutritional requirements whatever they have lost. Lacting mothers lose energy and fluids from their body while feeding the child. So eating gond can help them to get back the nutrient count, so that many of them will use at the time of breastfeeding. And moreover, the girls who attain puberty stage, it's a very good drink for them to get more stamina. Now for this, where the water is get boiling, you have to add little turmeric. Turmeric also acts as an antibiotic to our body. You start mixing. You have to keep mixing. I was telling about puberty, the girls. So when they attain puberty stage, this drink will help them to get more stamina. Now add gond and you have to keep mixing. Complete the gond will get resolved there, and you have to add jaggery. You have to keep mixing. Those who suffer from mouth ulcer, this drink will help to get rid from mouth ulcer. Gond helps to reducing the effect of inflammation and inhibits in mouth ulcers from popping. Usually when we get mouth ulcer, it will be popping. It can get rid by having this drink. It has many properties, like it will help to make our spinal cord more strong, because usually we will get back pain very early stages. It will get rid from back pain also, because it contains much nutrients in this drink. Adding akhroot and badam, and you have to, after adding akhroot and badam, you have to boil for 5 more minutes. It is a very good drink for skin also. It also has an anti-aging properties which is beneficial for skin, as it delays the development of wrinkles. Due to stress, we will get wrinkles early in our face. So it also helps to get easy of not getting wrinkles. And it's now ready to serve. After cool down only you have to drink. You can't drink hot. After cool down only, complete cool down you can drink. Very healthy drink. Try to utilize, try to use, try to make, and tasty also. Taste will be also very nice, and you have multiple benefits, which is very very good for girls. Especially girls, it's a very good healthy drink. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.